My name is Begimay Qaribekova. I have the honor to represent Kyrgyzstan. My country is a country of celestial mountains, glacial water and fresh air. My country is a country of beautiful people, delicious and satisfying food, as well as heartwarming traditions. My country is a mysterious monument of history. Each past world event was reflected in the history of my country, or we were reflected in the history of the world. My homeland is great. Each place has its own legend. As everyone loves his or her home, so I love mine. My name is Begimay Qaribekova. I am Miss Kyrgyzstan.